Hello, and welcome to Curriculum and Instruction Services Canvas Training Series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Canvas assignment in your Canvas course that you can assign to your attendees or students. You can create assignments three ways. The first way is on the Assignments tab that's in your Canvas course. Click on there and you click Plus Assignment. You can also do it in your calendar, where you find the day that you want to schedule the assignment. You open it up, double click it, and there's the assignment. Or I like to use the modules in my Canvas course, so let me pull that up. The modules is a nice place to create your coursework because it puts everything in one view for your attendees, so they're not having to go all over your course to find their work. Alright, so I created my discussion in Unit 1. Let's create an assignment. So you click on the plus tab right here. You're going to select assignment from the drop down, and you're going to click create assignment. Here's where you're going to give it a name. So I have an assignment here that I created that is it's a map assignment that I gave for my 6th grade students. So let's call this Ancient Egypt map assignment. And then when you're done with the title, you click Add Item. Okay, that puts it right here. Notice the little logo next to the title. That's the logo that identifies this as an assignment. So I'm going to open up the assignment, and from here you're going to click Edit. This is where you're going to put in the information for your assignment. Okay, so here's where you could type in the directions in this box here. You could copy and paste it, or I could type in the directions here, but I've already created it in a Google Doc. So what I'm going to do here is make sure my Google Doc has the appropriate sharing privileges for my students, which they do. So let me copy the link. And then in my Canvas course, I'm just going to type in directions, click here, and then we're going to hyperlink that so that when they click on it, it'll take them directly to their Google Doc. And there we go. Okay, so I have them directions of what I want them to do. Now I want to give them directions on how to turn it in. Okay? So open up assignment, click submit, insert link. Okay, so it's going to submit assignment, and then they're going to insert their link. So what they're going to do is they're going to make their map on a Google Drawing, and so I don't have to take a PDF or a paper that they turn in. They can take their Google Drawing and turn it in as a link so that I'll be able to grade it. Okay, so once we have that, you can give them a point value. So let's give them 25 points for this. And the assignment group. So the best way I can explain this is if you're a teacher and you've got your gradebook, you have an assignment groups that are going to be homework assignments, classwork, projects. So you can designate the groups that way. But for our purposes, it's just going to keep it under assignments. Okay. And then submission type. All right. So how do you want them to turn it in? Online, paper, or external tool? I'm going to select online because I want them to turn in their Google Drawing. You check the options that you want to make available for them to turn it in. So let's do website URL. Let's do file upload if they wanted to upload maybe a PDF of their map. Okay. And then how many attempts do you want to give them? And let's give them a due date, about a week to do it. So available from, when does this assignment appear in their Canvas course, or in their Canvas view for your course? So I'm okay with it happening today. Okay. And once you're done, you select Save and Publish. Okay. So there's the assignment. Now if I go to Modules, okay, you can see the module is published and the map assignment is published. So let's take a look at what this Let's take a look at what this will look like from the student perspective. So I'm going to click on Student View. The student opens up Egypt Map Assignment, and they're going to click Start Assignment. So this is what it looks like, the directions for them. So instead of Submit Assignment, I need to say Start Assignment. Okay, so Start Assignment. And then when they turn in their Google Doc or their Google Drawing, they can upload the file if they're using a PDF. If it's a website, like a Google Drawing URL, they just paste that in the box here. And they click Assignment. So I pasted my Google Doc here just to show you what it looks like in a link. Okay, so I click Submit. Okay, and they get nice little confetti saying that they've turned it in. Now, when I leave Student View, and let's take a look at their response in my gradebook. Okay, so here's the Egypt map. So I'm now looking at this as an instructor. So we're going to go to Speed Grader. Okay, and notice the teacher can see. So when they turn in a URL, especially a Google Doc, that's a live version of their work. So as a teacher, you can see the most recent version of this particular Google Doc. So I can look at it, see if they've followed my directions, give them credit, make a comment, and then click Submit. And that is how to create an assignment in your Canvas course. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.